Let's discuss one more sum for finding the volume of combination of solid. This figure you are already aware that we have discussed, but we find the surface area. Now we are going to find the volume. Let's read the question. It's similar only. I've just changed that we need to find the volume. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block such that diameter 14 centimeter of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. Right? So one interesting information is given that edge of the cube, okay, which is 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter is diameter of this hemisphere, right? So diameter of hemisphere and length of the cube is same, 14 centimeter. We need to find the volume of this remaining solid, right? Volume of the remaining solid. We remove this hemisphere from this cube. So what's left? That volume we need to find. So this is very simple. You find the volume of cube, then you find the volume of this sphere, hemisphere, and you subtract it. Very simple. Not like very complicated like surface area. You remove surface area of hemisphere, you remove surface of this circle as well, right? This is very simple. Let's start with the cube first. So cube it is. Cube, we have length which is 14 centimeter, right? Let's find volume is equal to, what's the formula? L cube. So here 14 cube. Remember the answer here is 2744 centimeter cube. If you don't remember, you can multiply and get the answer. Sometimes people do remember cube till 19 or 20 as well. So I just had an idea, 2744. So that's the answer. So that's the volume for the cube. Now let's find the volume for the hemisphere. So hemisphere it is. Hemisphere for that, here diameter is given 14 centimeters. So let's start from that relation. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Now diameter is what? 2 times radius, 14 centimeter. Okay. So radius will be what? 14 divided by 2. That is 7 centimeter. Simple. Now we can get the volume of this hemisphere. So let's use the formula. Volume is equal to hemi means what? We are going to take half, then sphere. So volume formula for sphere 4/3 pi r cube. So let's cancel 2's and 2. If you directly apply 2/3 pi r cube, that is also correct. No worries. I've just used the concept of hemisphere, half sphere, right? So 2/3, then pi 22/7. R is what? 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 get cancelled. Okay, we have quite a big number. So 2 into 22 is 44. Multiply 7 into 7, 49, and 3 into the denominator. So let's multiply and get the answer, which is 49 multiplied by 44. Answer is 2156. Okay, you can multiply and you can do as well, right? Now denominator 2156, denominator 3, right? Here you can convert into decimal as well. I just prefer here because we need to subtract it. See, 4 digit here and 4 digit here. If you multiply 3, you will be getting 5 digit. So better you just, okay, I think you will get 4 digit only because 2 3s are 6. No worries. Though let's convert into decimals. So 7s are here, and then okay, then 5. Okay, 1s are, then 2 6. So okay, 2 6. So you will getting 8s are and 6. That's it. Let's stop over here. 718.6. Now let's find the remaining volume. Okay, this is the volume of the cube, which is 2744. Then volume of hemisphere, that is 718.6. Let's write the unit, centimeter cube. Now we want to find the area of this remaining solid. So let's write volume of remaining solid. Remaining solid. So we need to subtract these two things, right? Let's start. 2744 2744 minus here 718. Okay, 718.6. Keep 0 over here and let's do here 10, then here will be 3, so 380 not possible, so 13 and 3. Okay, 10 minus 6 will give you 4, then 13 minus 8 is 5, 3 minus 1 is very simple, 2, 7 minus 7 0 and 2. Remember the unit, which is centimeter cube. Now you must be confused that while finding the surface area, right, this is important point, we were adding the surface area of cube and surface area of hemisphere. We were adding, remember, you can rewind, you can see that video one more time, right? But in this case we are removing it, right? Remember, while we talk about the volume, we are talking about some portion of the solid and we are removing that portion, right? So that's why we are subtracting over here. While solid, we are just only, while we are talk about the surface area, we are talking about one layer of it, right? So this is the difference that you need to remember. Here we are subtracting the volume, while in that case we added the surface area. So let's recall one time. So find the volume of cube, then volume of hemisphere and subtract, and you will get the volume of this remaining solid.